Okay guys, KingTwin, it's got a 4S 2200 in it all the way in the nose. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. Here we go. Lots of horsepower, up and away. Suck those flaps up. Hope you guys can see those lights, they look amazing. Needed a lot of down for inverted flight. I'll have to adjust my expo and throws are a little soft. I would definitely go 100% on the elevator. But what an awesome Sunday flyer. Small field, look at how tight I can keep this thing in, not a problem. The looks, the sound, just wow. Just wow. And then when you want to get crazy, you do that. Ha! Heck yeah, just so sick. That was full throttle. Just flick it around. It can be nimble or it can't be nimble, your choice. Lights up there look amazing. Full flaps. I felt the air from that flyby. Just sick. So sick. Okay, let's get the gear out since we're on a smaller battery. Don't want to push our luck here. We'll start heading back to the field. The runway, I should say. We're running out of daylight here. Yes. Yes, 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 boys and girls. That was sick. You can do it on a 2200. That was about a 4+ minute flight, I think, there on my timer. It says 250. It said 250. Now to 7, so heck yeah. Show you what we got going on here. Just amazing. HobbyKing just hit a home run here. Avios, Stewart, you guys are the bomb diggity. So here you go, you can see the 2200 all the way forward in there. Here's the pack, you just saw me fly it, 30C Venom 2200. Let's see what we got going on. 30%. amazing, guys. Amazing. All right, guys, in case people are wondering on what my radio says in it to get this bad boy to fly, let's just go ahead and go through some of the settings. Dual rates. Here's my aileron. Here's what I like to fly it on. I hope that shows up for you guys. 100% rates, Expo 15. That's just where I like it. We'll go to elevator. Let's see here. There we go. 90% Expo's at 7. I'm going to even take more of that out down to 0. Because the elevators on this just kind of felt like it had Expo built into it, if that makes sense. But I just didn't feel I needed any extra Expo. Every time I keep putting it in, it felt like it kind of felt a little soft. But you know, I do triple rates. Here's a second and then a third. I usually take off in the middle rate so I can go more or less as I feel I need to. And then the rudder is kind of the funny one. The nose wheel being so long down there is pretty sensitive. So I've got a pretty sick rudder throw in there. Let me unhook the battery and I'll show you a little trick that I did there. The nose steering, I've got it like that. It's pretty soft around the center because it doesn't need much. But when you're in flight, you want to do coordinated turns, you want more rudder, right? So with the gear switch, see the curve change here? So here's the gear up. It's way more sensitive, and I'm going to take some of that Expo out as well. Probably go down to about 10. And that's how I like it on the rudder. So that's how I fly, just one rate. It's good enough for me. So there's that. Nothing else really tricky on the setup. If you got an IX-12, so I had to reverse the elevator, the gear, and the rudder. That's it for that. Travels and everything is always 100%. Just is what it is. And then CG. So for CGs, I've got it marked on the top of the wing. You're supposed to balance it inverted with the gear up, right? So for me, for that 3300 battery, I put it just flush with the back of this or a little bit forward. And that 2200 4S I put all the way forward as far as it would go because it hits this, right? So it's up against this block here and coming this way, and seemed to be pretty close. It was maybe a little bit tail heavy on that 2200. I don't think they even recommend that, but all right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, follow links down below in the description. Let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you along the RC journey with me. So that said, keep the rubber side down. Catch you on the next one.